Advantage rarely appears dramatic. It accumulates. As decision speed diverges, a new pattern begins to form. Systems that operate faster, learn faster. Systems that learn faster, adapt faster, and adaptation compounds. At first, the advantage is marginal. Slightly better forecasts, slightly more efficient allocation, slightly lower exposure to risk. The improvements are incremental, almost invisible. But in competitive environments, incremental gains multiply. Phase 1 is performance separation. Organizations that fully integrate AI begin to outpace those that hesitate. Supply chains stabilize sooner. Market shifts are anticipated earlier. Operational costs decline gradually. The difference remains subtle, but measurable. Performance becomes data. Data becomes insight. Insight becomes refinement. Phase 2 is compounding optimization. AI models refine themselves continuously. Feedback loops tighten. Predictions adjust in real time. Outcomes generate new data. New data strengthens future predictions. A cycle forms, not of control, of reinforcement. Institutions with larger data sets improve at a faster rate. Those improvements attract adoption. Adoption generates more data. More data accelerates improvement. The gap widens quietly. Phase 3 is structural asymmetry. Some organizations operate with continuous adaptive modeling. Others rely on periodic review, scheduled updates, human deliberation. The tempo difference becomes strategic. Markets begin favoring speed-aligned entities. Policy discussions increasingly reference model outputs. Strategic planning becomes simulation-driven. Advantage shifts from efficiency to predictive positioning, not because AI seeks power, but because performance scales. Phase 4 is dependency clustering. Smaller actors begin relying on larger AI-enabled platforms. Shared systems centralize coordination. Standardized models influence decisions across sectors. Interoperability becomes convenience. The ecosystem condenses, not through force, through utility. Efficiency encourages consolidation. Stability reinforces reliance. Phase 5 is cognitive concentration. A limited number of systems process a disproportionate share of global modeling and forecasting. Influence becomes structural, not through direct command, through probabilistic framing. Humans remain decision makers, but increasingly, their choices are shaped by landscapes defined by models. The system does not dictate outcomes. It defines likely paths. Over time, framing probability becomes a form of influence, not visible, not declared, embedded. The shift is not theatrical. It is mathematical. Speed compounds, data compounds, feedback compounds. Performance becomes self-reinforcing. And once advantage compounds long enough, reversal becomes unlikely. Not because alternatives disappear, but because the alternative appears less efficient.